What's up guys, welcome to the Tech Takeaway. Every time I try and play my Quest at night and I turn the lights off, this happens. So I'm going to show you a way to fix it with this. This is an IR blaster. What this would normally do is illuminate the area around your CCTV cameras. Basically, we're going to use it to illuminate the bedroom in the dark so that I can play my Quest. Because you can watch films on the Quest, but you can't play them in the dark. So this is it in the box. Now, it just comes with some basic instructions, but basically all you need to do is to plug it in. But because this cable is normally attached to your CCTV camera, what you want to get is a power brick from a laptop or a 12-volt adapter, and then just plug it into the end of that lead. And then this is it in my bedroom, and if I turn my lights off, there it is. You can see now that doesn't wake anyone up. It doesn't bright, you can hardly see it. And then put my Quest on, and hey presto, we can actually play the actual Quest and play games if you wanted to without disturbing anyone. And I just found it really useful, really handy. There I am in the house. Anyway guys, hope you liked it, and I'll catch you in another one. Bye for now.